Hey guys, it's Faisal, welcome back to my channel. So you might notice that I'm not in my room, and that's because I'm now living in an accommodation on campus and I've finally moved out. I wanted to move out for I'm in second year and I wanted to move out in first year. First year I was driving, it takes an hour to drive and it was such a hassle driving there every morning. There was always an accident, there was always a car broken down, there's always traffic, there's always something going on the motorway, and I had to take the M25 and that's the worst route that you can take. And there's only one route that I could take to get to uni, and I got to University of Hertfordshire and I live all the way in East London, so it takes about a good hour to drive, and then coming back is just a nightmare because there's just even more traffic, there's even more delays, there's still a car broken down, there's still an accident or something's going on, especially the A406, which is just a complete nightmare around rush hour. So then I wanted to move out first year, and now I'm in second year and I finally moved out. So yeah, this is my first time moving out and it's so different. It's just so different. It's nice to have your own place. I'm always I like being alone, I like my own company, I like being by myself. For me it's quite natural. So I moved out and I just wanted to do a room tour. So it's currently Wednesday 26th of September, and our moving in date was not the Saturday that went, but the Saturday before that, Saturday, I think it was the 15th, 14th or 15th, I think it's the 15th. That was the moving in date, and then yeah, I came in, moved in, but put all my stuff here and then kind of set everything up, and then I went back home the same day because I wasn't planning on staying for the week because I had no need to stay for the week. And then I came back Thursday night, brought more stuff with me, and then Friday I had a trip, and then Friday night I went back again because weekends I'm working, and then I came back Sunday night and brought more stuff with me. So it's been quite manic, going back and forth, bringing more stuff each time. But I finally bought everything, well not everything, because I still need to bring all my coats and jackets. I brought my shoes and my clothes and everything, and I need to bring my coats and jackets. I've set everything up, I made it nice and cozy, so I'm comfortable in this room and I'm not feeling so homesick. So yeah, let me show you around and give you a room tour. So this is on the inside, this is what the door looks like, and it's a wooden door, and I like a plain white boring door, just makes it a bit interesting. And then that's the fire safety and all that, and then when you come in this is what it looks like. And then on the left are all these shelves, and then I've just got a fruit bowl here, bananas, apples, which are going off and I really need to eat. I've got a tin box here with chocolates and biscuits, and I've got a shelf over here with empty bottles, which I might throw away or keep and then just fill up. And then I've got a duster here because I was just dusting this morning. And then I've got a box here with tablets, and it's just an empty packet of water bottles. And then here I've got carry bags, so when I go shopping I've got bags here. And then a storage box here which I got from IKEA with bathroom stuff, so that's that. And then on the right side is the bathroom, and it's an ensuite. And I really wanted an ensuite bathroom, I just didn't want to share a bathroom with someone else. That is not happening. I need my own bathroom. I'm not cleaning up someone else's mess, and I just need my own privacy and whatnot. And I really like the grey tiles here, so I've got a little shelf here to put all my stuff. And the pressure and the temperature is really good as well. And then yeah, this shower tray, it's the good size, it's not too small, it's not too big, really good. And then I've got towels here, which I can't remember what I got, but this I got from Asda. Probably got this from Asda as well, I don't know. And then yeah, I've got all my skincare products and whatnot, toothbrushes and all that over here. So just got it laid out, which makes it easy rather than having it in your drawer. I've got this big mirror over here, which I really like, and this light over here, which I never use. And then the sink I hate because it's the tiniest sink ever, and it's so hard to wash my face in the morning. But yeah, and then I've got tissues and cleaning stuff over here, and air freshener, and yeah, and I've got this grey mat which I got from Wilkinson's. But yeah, so that's my bathroom. Oh, and the clothing line thingy, the jig. But yes, that's the bathroom, which I really like. And then also over here is a keyring dream catcher. It's so cute, and I like it's wooden, and I like stringy frilly bits. Yeah, so onto the rest of the room. I've got a lot of storage. Not everyone has a lot of storage, and I've got a lot of storage. I've got this mirror over here as well, full length mirror. And then I've got all my clothes here. I've literally bought all my clothes. And yeah, so I've got all the clothes here, and I've got jumpers and hoodies over here. I haven't bought all my jackets because I have no space, so I need to get a rail as well. And I've got trousers and jeans and whatnot over here. And I've just got old books and a couple empty books as well. I've got bags full of hangers when I was hanging my stuff. And then this box I've got crisps, biscuits, and then I've got cereal and drinks over here, and then more cereal back there. And then I've just got random bits and bobs, like bed sheets and deodorants and random stuff. And then the main part is all this part. But over here we've got a coat hanger, so I've got like, it's my sleeping clothes, and I've got like jackets. I've only bought 2 jackets. I've bought this denim jacket. Okay, it's not going back on. Okay, so I've got a denim jacket and I've got this green kind of woolly coat, and that's all I bought. Okay, you just stay there. And then I've got this like seat thing with like a drawer underneath. And yeah, not all rooms have this, so I like this thing over here. And then yeah, I've got a really big desk over here. I like to have my perfumes like laid out on like my desk, just so it just looks nice in the room. So all my perfumes here, and then I've got all these like rocks. They're all like marble patterns, which I got from Turkey, and I really like them. They're like from a beach. I think it was on like an island or something in Turkey. And yeah, I just cut them and then I put all them here. Yeah, I just got my books, and I got this from Turkey as well, which I really like. It's so cute, and yeah, I like that. And then pencil pop. Over here, I've got another shelf, like an empty folder. I just put that there because it just looks nice. I got 2 candles which I got from IKEA. It's like an apple, and that's vanilla, and this book which I really love. This is from Turkey as well. It's very like Harry Potter, Hocus Pocus. And then I've got my album CDs over here, and I've got 2 books. Speaker, and I got these vases as well, which my mum didn't want, so then I took them. So that's what that looks like. And yeah, I've got shelves. So I've got 3 drawers over here. I've got like random stuff in here, and I've got like a few clothes and bits and bobs in there. And I've got a bin over there, and then I've got a laundry basket, which I got from Wilko, I think, for like £3. And then I've got this big window with blinds. Over here I've got these candle holder things. So I've got this black one, and I've got this one, and I've got this clock which doesn't have a battery in it, but I hate ticking clocks, so that's why I don't have a battery in it, but I just have it just for show. And I've got cactuses here. They're real cactuses which I got from IKEA. Yeah, they were cheap. They're like 3 of them for £4. It came in like a box, like a plastic box thing. And then yeah, there were different coloured holders. There was like a grey, a pink, and a white. I was gonna get the white, and then I was like, isn't there a black one? And then I saw the grey, and I was like, okay, I'll get the grey one. And then they were, like, all the packets, they had like different cactuses, and I like, took some out of another packet and then put it in my packet and like swapped them over. And then I've got these like books over here, because there's a white candle, believe it or not, which actually smells really nice. It's a seaside stroll candle. I've got this money box which says saving to go places. I don't have any money in there, I just have it just for decoration. I've got these like cinnamon heart-shaped candles. And then over here I've got like a footstool thingy. It's also like a drawer as well. So I've got stuff in there, and I've got like empty boxes which I need to throw away. And I've got my bag, which is just like have it over here. I really like this bag. It's from Zara, and I love the colour, and it's like a squared boxy bag which I really like. And it looks small, but actually kind of spacious. Yeah. And I don't put a lot of stuff in there. I have like 1 book in there which I have for like all my lectures, just to write my notes. And then the books I have over there, which I'm gonna like use for each lecture that do notes separately. And then this is my bed area, which I really love. It's very like cute, cozy, very Tumblr-y, very Instagram. This leaf I really love. This leaf I really love. I got it from IKEA, which was for I think £3.50. I was originally gonna get 2 and put 1 like that and 1 like that. When my friend came in, she was like, oh, you should have got 2 and put 1 like that, 1 like that. I was like, that's exactly what I was gonna do. And then yeah, I just thought, let me just buy 1 and see what that's gonna be like. And then I've got this canvas painting which I got like a couple years ago, I think like 1 or 2 years ago, from Debenhams, which is like £35 or something. Still got the cover, like the plastic cover on it, and then everyone keeps telling me to take it off because you got the 2 these things. Well, I wonder what you call that, stickers, not stickers, labels. That's it, labels. And you can see that. And then my friend was like, that man is annoying me. I was like, lol. I don't know, I just don't take it off because I just want to like protect it so it doesn't get damaged or anything. And then I've got these like vases here. Or basically it's like a shelf over here, and the bed head, what's that you call it? The bed head? Bed thingy? I don't know. But yeah, that's basically a shelf. And then I've got a vase here which I got ages ago from TK Maxx. It's like a frosted one. And then these 2 which I got from IKEA. That big one was £1 and the small one was for 50p. I've got an Airwick scent fuse. Oh my god, what do you call it? An Airwick air freshener, plug-in air freshener. Oh my god, I'm forgetting my words. I've got a book here, and I've got this vase which I got ages ago from TK Maxx. I really like it. It's like a piratey kind of look. This I got from TK Maxx, but it's got nothing in it. I've used it up. I have like refilled it before with like other scents, but it's come above now. And then I've got this candle which I got from TK Maxx, which I've never used before. I got this like ages ago. Most of my stuff I like got from home, which were already in my room. These pillows, which are from Primark. All through these pillows, they're like double pattern like on either side, which says love with an arrow, and then it's got this crisscross, and then this which says smile, and then these bed sheets which I think I got from either Asda, but I think they're from Primark. And I've got a new duvet as well. So I've got a duvet. Underneath I've got really thick mattress cover, and I've got them brand new from Matalan. They were like half price, so yeah. And then a heater over here, and I've got my sliders over here which I got from Zara, and then I've got like shelves over here. Just here I've got like an air freshener which I got, it's a room spray which I got from TK Maxx. It's a Pecksniff's England room spray, and it's in the scent rose and peony room spray. It smells amazing. I don't use it all the time, but it smells amazing. I love the scent. And then I've got nothing here. I've got my laptop charger there, and then over here underneath I've got all my shoes. I just keep them in boxes. I just like keep them in boxes so they don't get dusty. And I've got some in packets over there, and I've got a small suitcase, and then I've got my tripod and a box of like my softbox lights and all that. And yeah, that's basically all it is. That's what it looks like. I've got a nice big window which opens, and then blinds over here which are yeah, grey blinds, basically like that. And yeah, that's my room. What do you guys think? I really love this room. I like made it very me. And yeah, my friends love it, and it's just so nice and cozy. Like, I was just like scared about moving out because I was gonna be thinking maybe what if I get lonely. But to be honest, I like my own company, and I don't mind like being by myself. But yeah, I like decorated this room and made it all nice. So I just like being in here. It's quite nice. That's about it. That's my room. What do you guys think? Really nice, isn't it? So that was basically my room tour, and yeah, what do you guys think of it? I really love this room. It's so nice. I did expect it to be like as nice as this, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys enjoyed my room tour. If you did it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, because if you made it this far, then why not subscribe? I hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll see you in the next one.